Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm partnering with Sally Hansen to showcase 3 holiday nail looks using the new Miracle Gel Gold's Holiday Collection. This collection features 6 gold shades from the Miracle Gel line, 3 of which are new limited edition shades. The shades are Good as Gold, 5 Golden Blings, Goldie Rocks, Game of Chromes, Shimmer, and Terracotta. Gold is the color of the holiday season. You probably see it in all the fashion and beauty looks. It is such a trend this year. As you can tell, it matches my gold dress. These shades are gorgeous and getting me so excited for the holiday season. So let's get into the tutorials. How to achieve this black and gold gradient look for the holidays. I started off by priming my nails. This is not required with the Miracle Gel line, but I do this as part of my nail routine. Then using the black shade Onyx Spected, apply 2 even coats to your nails. Then taking a makeup sponge, again apply Onyx Spected as well as Game of Chromes and stipple it onto the nails. Start with a light hand on the first coat and continue to build with a second. Now, using Good as Gold, which is a new limited edition shade, apply this glitter to the tip of the gradient to dress up this holiday look. I applied 2 coats to build up the glitter. Then taking a Q-tip dipped in nail polish remover, tidy up around your cuticles. Finally, last but not least, add step 2 top coat. This is an important step with the Miracle Gel line. This will seal in your design and create a long-lasting look. How to achieve this neutral gold elegant look. Start off by applying 2 coats of In the Sheer to all of your nails, allowing it to dry in between coats. Next, taking 5 Golden Blings, a new limited edition shade, apply it to the lower third of your nails. Using a small dotting tool with Game of Chromes, create small stars on your nails. Start by making a capital letter A and touch up the points to create a star every time. Stars have been a huge trend this year, so these nails are on point. For larger nails like your middle finger, add more stars, and only 1 for your pinky and index nails. While the first layer of 5 Golden Blings has a chance to dry, apply a second coat for even more holiday shine, and then add the remaining stars on top to complete the look. Finish off with the step 2 top coat to seal in your design. How to achieve this abstract gold nail design. Start off by applying 2 coats of Goldie Rocks to all of your nails except your ring finger and thumb, which are painted with 2 coats of Get Mod, allowing time to dry in between coats. Goldie Rocks is definitely my favorite shade from this collection. Look at that beautiful multicolor reflection. Once the white nail is dry, it's time for the abstract design, starting from the base of your nail and making your way towards the middle, overlapping the gold and black polish. Finish off with the step 2 top coat to seal in your design. This design is super simple because you don't have to be perfect and it's abstract, but this look has been a huge trend this year. I hope you all enjoyed this video and found inspiration in these 3 looks for your upcoming holiday parties. I love the Miracle Gel line from Sally Hansen because it's so long lasting and my nails will look great all throughout the holiday season. For every party and get together, they will always look great. Check out the shades in the new Gold collection. They are available in store for a limited time only for the holiday season. I will link them down below for where you can get them. Also down below, I will have a link to my Instagram where I have swatches of each of the shades in the collection where you can then see the detail up close. It is so beautiful and I am just obsessed with these shades and I'm just so excited for the holidays. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Let me know in a comment down below which was your favorite look from this video. I would love to know. Thank you so much for watching. Happy holiday season and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!